Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a mini bike. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Just look at the road. A red Honda bike, JH70. But wait, it's a diecast model. Here's the product, the diecast scale model of Honda JH70. Honda. It comes with a well-detailed realistic body. Look at the exhaust and all. JH70. This is a 1:12 scale model. Just look at the tire, the steel alloys. Look at this handle, the cluster, the accelerator, brake, mirror. It's well detailed. Now look at these seats. They are well detailed and it's made of rubber. Guys, this bike comes with rotatable handle. Fully rotatable handles. This bike comes with amazing suspension. Did you notice this steel stand of the bike? Well, it's adjustable. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to at least your 10 friends. Now let's take this diecast Honda bike for a mini test drive. Now let's put it on stand. This bike is a diecast collectible. If you have any doubts or suggestion, comment it below. Now let's check the light and sound feature. For that, press on the suspension. It's so realistic. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.